It's bad. It's real bad. I'm officially broke. Like, if broke had a cousin named Destitute, I'd be sleeping on their couch.
What happened this time?
Life happened. Turns out, financing a luxury lifestyle on a non-existent budget has consequences? Who knew?
Literally everyone with a bank account.
Like, okay, so my rent is overdue, my credit cards are screaming, and apparently, you're supposed to pay back Afterpay? Since when?
Bestie, how much do you owe?
Okay, so, like, if I round down, ignore the interest, and pretend one of these loans doesn't exist. Maybe, like, 5,000?
The real number.
30.
30 what?
1,000.
All right, listen. We're gonna fix this. But first, no more spending. No more luxury hauls. No more treat yourself. Your lifestyle needs a major reality check.
What? But what will I even post? My followers expect unboxing videos. You want me to just exist? Like a regular person?
Yes, exactly like that. First step, you're making a budget. Second, you're finding ways to bring in extra cash, freelance, sell stuff, get a side hustle. Third, you're calling these creditors to negotiate your payments.
Talk to them? Like, with words? Can't I just block them and start fresh?
Do you want to fix this or end up explaining to your future landlord why your credit score looks like a crime scene?
Fine, but if I do all this, will I ever be rich like you?
If you stop faking rich and start actually managing your money, yes.
The audacity of logic.
Call me when you've made a plan, and I'll help you tweak it. No more mess, bestie.
I hate when you're right, but thank you.
Always. Now go be responsible.
The things I do for financial stability.